What's up, guys? Welcome back to our cut open series, and it's been a while. Last episode we cut open a baseball, and that was pretty interesting. I know I'm like kind of cutting off because I want you guys to see the ground what we're breaking. Because today we are breaking a piece of technology. That's right, we are breaking a piece of technology. Before I didn't do it on camera. I actually broke my old watch. It's the same watch I have on now, but I broke my old one because it stopped working. Actually, there's like it charged by USB in my If I pull this part off, it's USB, and it pulled like the whole wiring off, so I had to break it. But today we are smashing a mouse to bits. We have a mallet, which is actually very light, and an actual hammer. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this does come off pretty easily. My dad just took it off so we can look at it. But yeah, I just kind of want to like dent it. Like it's a very satisfying click back on. So yeah, it doesn't really work anymore. Let's try the other side. The neighbor's gonna think I'm crazy. I'm filming outside so I don't get it all over the inside of the house. I'll save that for later. Okay, I don't know if this will start a fire, but yeah, let's start with the mallet. Sheesh. I can't tell if I just broke it open. That's just part of the thing. This wheel comes off, I think. Ah, there we go. Alright, I think I'm gonna put all the parts over here. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Okay, let's get for real now. Whatever I can break, I'm going to. So we have this little piece off. And this piece, so it's like a little piece of metal. It's pretty cool. I do have a mouse. I already posted this on my community tab for Punig 1. I do have a new mouse coming tomorrow, which is why I'm breaking this one, because there's no USB for it. And that's actually very bad. I left the battery in here. Guys, I left the battery. We're not going to be puncturing the battery. That will probably start a fire. So yeah. Let's smash this little part. Sheesh. Let's just hit it with the... Yeah, at the end we're just going to see what we can do with all the smash. But right now we're going to... The whole goal of this is to see what's inside of this. It's also turned on. And it's raining outside. So just... And it's dark out, so... Bro, trick shot. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. Yeah. See, right there, it slid in here. If the battery was still inside and I hit that, the whole thing would explode. At least that's what Mark Rober told me. So we have this piece that fell out somewhere, and this metal piece. So I'm gonna show you every boring little piece of metal I find. Yeah! I need to hit this like hard, but I don't like damage the concrete. I want to get inside like here. This is approachable. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna like break something. I am. Yeah, I'm glad to be back. I wanted to film the watch, but it was like me and my brother doing it, and like I just kinda want to do it for fun, just make sure it didn't start a fire. Let's go with the mallet. For God's sakes. Like now scratched up. Well, scratches are what we want on here on cut open. And neighbors think I'm crazy because I cut stuff open, but you know, did I ask for their opinion? No, I did not. I want to like get a place where I can like, oh, we got this clear piece here. I wonder what's inside this little metal, this plastic piece. You can't do it by hand. You can kind of see the computer chip in there. Yeah. So it's kind of like, can you get it? Yeah, here we go. We got this piece. All right, what else can we pry with a hammer? Got a lot of stuff there. Might have to get a dustpan. Probably will. Oh! That one got deep. Try and do that again. I cut a hole in it. Okay. I cut like a deep hole in it and like got stuck. I want to get like this area right here. Try the twisting mechanism. Also, don't try this at home. Leave it to me. I'm a professional sitting outside on a rainy day with cars going by. Take it from me. Don't try this at home. I like how a lot of YouTubers say that, but it's like if it's easy like this, just like, this is to show you what's inside a mouse. It's not going so well though, is it? Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. I want to get like stuck on a piece. The neighbors think I'm crazy for doing. Oh, got it stuck. There we go. All right. This is crazy. This is crazy and nuts. It's like so scratched. I can barely just turn it off there. I don't know if this. Oh, it hooks in the back. I think I busted this part too much. Oh, it can like kinda. It can like kinda. You'll never tell. You don't tell anyone I broke a mouse. Okay, there we go. Broke that part off. Let's keep going with the main mouse. Can I puncture a hole in the back side here? The reason I chose an actual hammer is because this side I can actually like easily put a hole in it. That's what I thought. Hammer time. Oh, jeez. Hammer time. I'm getting off camera. Okay, so you see, we put a hole in it on the bottom. You can kind of see. Let's keep going with this hammer. Can't get it open. Oh my gosh. It's kind of a sticker. I gotta get this part open. If I can get my hammer in there, I can like pry it out. What's inside? If you're watching this, you're probably not, but if you are, I know why you like doing this so much. There's gonna be like a climax of the video where I actually like break it open and we like see. Oh, look at that! Got a little. Where did it just go? Okay, here it is. We got a little like spring part. Pretty cool. I collect mouse parts. Also, if you're gonna break open something, get help and do it in a controlled environment. 2 things I'm not doing. Last episode, we actually had help with my dad, who actually cut it open with one of his machines. But this time, I'm a machine today for you guys. And if there's any parts left, people who come to our door are gonna be very surprised why there are mouse parts up here. And I'm gonna clean up my area, don't worry. Chickens can wish you had high quality content like this. Oh, we just broke this big piece off. There's like little other pieces here too. Can't tell if it's a leaf or a dead bug. Got it. Alright. I don't know if we can really break something open. How we hit it there, but just kind of hack at it for a little bit. Got a couple other pieces. easy at this point. Kind of like. Oh! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! It kind of broke it. This could be it. Okay. Okay. We broke the main chip. God, wow! This does damage. Like, I can't, like... Okay. Now I kind of just want to hit it with a mallet for fun. Oh, here's a piece. Look at that. Sponsor me. Sponsor me or I'll break up in your products. It's so much fun doing this. Got another piece of the chip there. Gotta keep getting it there. Maybe get a vacuum cleaner out here. That'd be good. Yeah, I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Don't worry. You don't even have to worry about anything. You just, if you are worried, thank you. Teacher, my mouse ain't working. Gee, I wonder what. Hacked it open there. Wow, that just flew right into the pile. Okay, this is shaking. Wonder if we can get it out here. Is that the on and off switch? Oh my gosh, there's wires. There's wires connected to this. We're gonna break it here. Okay, I don't know if this is safe. Okay, we cut it out. That's crazy. It's crazy. Look at that. Well, we started like 12 minutes ago. Like, not even like 11. Oh, we already got out the main server piece or whatever. I'm big on technology, but not too good on what they're called. Come on. Oh my gosh. Almost hit the ground there. I want to hit this Logitech thing in the back. See if we can break that open. Maybe there's something good in there. I don't know. Watch your language. There we go. I don't know why I said that. I was thinking of Age of Ultron. Yeah. I don't know if it's kind of hard to hear me out here. Someone's gonna like roll down their window and say like, "Kid, what are you doing with that piece of expensive electronics?" I think it's like $5 on Amazon. I don't know. I don't remember where I got it from. I think as a souvenir for my room, I'm gonna keep this. It's pretty cool. I don't know what this is like. I think we're gonna have to like go into more detail of what this actually does. Okay. Alright, what can we do by hand? Okay. Get a couple of the plastic off there. Can we get the other server out? Can we snap it? Oh, we can like pull this apart here. Almost. We can like push it in. Which is like where the server's connected to. This is dangerous. Even for me. I'm a trained professional. Jesus, shut up. God. I can't believe I just did that. Without even the sharp side. Mark Rober said a hammer is only good for one use. Hammering nails. Good for, also good for breaking open mice. Mice. Is that what they're like a multiple? Oh, we got the part with the sticker off. Right there. Okay. Someone tag Mark Rober. Oh, we got the other part out. There we go. Okay. Open this up. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is breaking mice open for all to hear. Okay. It's like, I don't want to, like, that's going to hurt if I turn it off. I don't want to get hurt. Hey, like, safety professional, if you're doing this, be careful. It's like on its shell. There's not really like much electronic left to be broken. But I still want to like get it though, because we have some time left. So let's hit it with a mallet. I might need a sledgehammer. I don't know. This mallet's very light. It's like flipping. Wow. Me and this mouse had some memories. I don't know when I got it. I think end of 5th grade. I don't even know. Maybe it was during 5th grade. I have no idea. It's been like, I'm hitting the hammer there. But yeah, now I'm getting a new one. Oh my goodness, that scared me. Okay, what just happened? But oh, we got this. Yeah, we got the bottom part off. There we go. Now, can I get this little piece of metal off, or is this like, did I hit it in too hard? Let's try and get this down. Hack, 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 hack. Minecraft. I think we did it. I mean, look at this. Look at that. We cut open a mouse. Now we can see what's inside of it, even though we already did. I think the joy is not even showing you what's inside of it. The joy is you watching me cut, like, smash it with a hammer. So yeah. Battery, you're not going to be puncturing, so yeah. Don't puncture batteries. They are... Do not throw in fire. Just don't explode. Don't explode batteries. Yeah, this episode was very interesting. We came from a baseball to a mouse, and I can't wait to smash open more electronics because that was fun. I'm gonna keep this little piece. If we can get enough subscribers, maybe we can start a merch store and I can sell these parts. Just kidding. They're gonna be thrown away. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Cut Open. I'll see you next time. Bye.